For us, we're having the opposite effect. It is quite warm. In fact, yesterday in Vero Beach, we tied the record high. Today, we're going to be close to those record highs once again. We have to wait until the weekend. That's when a front approaches South Florida, and that's when potentially we start to cool things off as we head towards the latter half of the weekend. In the meantime, though, there's a live look. That's the Jupiter Inlet Lighthouse. Lots of haze across the area, and temperatures warming up quickly. Right now, we're at 80 into the Palm Beaches. A smidge warmer in Boca, 82. But in the meantime, Treasure Coast, Lakeside, you're still in the upper 70s. That's where we should be for this time of year. The average high right around 78 degrees. But by the time we get to the middle of the afternoon hours, temperatures will be well above that. Otherwise, right now, temperatures definitely cooler compared to yesterday at this hour. So it is a bit more comfortable compared to what we had Sunday afternoon. So right now, the winds are southwesterly at roughly 10 to 15 miles an hour. And it's that southwest flow which will help to bring in that really warm air for us. But notice lots of sunshine from Sebastian, Jupiter, all the way down towards Boca. Just a couple of fair weather clouds developing on the western side of the lake, but there is no rainfall around and we're not expecting any. Once again, a very strong area of higher pressure centered right on top of the Bahamas. You can see the winds rotating around that area of higher pressure. That's creating that south to southwest wind flow for us, and it's also keeping all of this well to the north. By the time we get to the end of the week, that's when the high breaks down and that's when a cool front will move on in. But again, we have to wait until the weekend for that to happen. Here are the record highs for today. For Pierce, 90. So I think that one's A-OK. But at least in the Palm Beaches or Vero Beach, we will be close to those record highs before all is said and done. Current setup, high pressure across the Bahamas. There's a front right here. Ahead of the front, you can see the showers, lots of clouds from Atlanta up into parts of the mid-Atlantic states. Tomorrow, the front continues to march to the north, but it stays to the north. So into Jacksonville, that's where we could have a couple of spotty rain showers. But for us, we are high and dry as that area of higher pressure continues to nose itself into South Florida. Today, 88 in the Palm Beaches, right around 89 Boca, 87 Indiantown, 85 into Port St. Lucie. Overnight tonight, temperatures in the 60s, but some of you in the cooler spots may drop into the 50s. Could start off with a little bit of patchy fog as we head into tomorrow morning too. If you're going boating, there is a small craft caution in effect. The seas anywhere from 2 to 3 feet. Inland waters will have a moderate chop. And here is your first alert 7-day forecast. So the heat is on, folks. We're seeing temperatures in the upper 80s, close to those record highs as we head towards the weekend. That's when a front finally approaches on Saturday. May pick up a shower or two, and then we're cooler behind it for Sunday.